buffalo skillet casserole with roast cauliflower and rotisserie chicken. Bacon is coming out. A tray full of a large head of cauliflower cut into florets is going in. Salt and pepper and non-aerosol cooking spray, olive oil or canola oil on the cauliflower, and we're gonna roast these at a really high temperature at 450. Boom, into the oven it goes. So I started the cast iron skillet with a couple of ribs of celery and a couple of carrots chopped. I'm cooking that up in some melted butter, and I'm gonna add in lots of garlic. I'm gonna season this up. I already put salt and pepper in. I'm gonna add some smoked sweet paprika. We get enough heat, of course, from the cayenne pepper sauce. I like Frank's Red Hot for my buffalo style dishes. I'm gonna add a little milk, like a cup of milk. It's the base for your sauce. And we're gonna thicken that with a half a brick of cream cheese. And I just drop it in pieces. So 3 to 4 ounces. You can buy one of the little tiny bricks, that'd be fine too. And that thickens this up, and then you're gonna stir in as little or as much hot sauce as you want. While that cream cheese is melting down, I'm gonna show you that I drained off a little jar, this size jar, of pimentos. I'm gonna throw in some pimento. So this is gonna taste like buffalo pimento cheese, basically. Like a whole pan full. I know. It's very exciting, I agree. Now, I go real heavy on the hot sauce. Like, I would put in half a cup for this thing. I really would. You might want to start with a quarter and go up from there. Buffalo anything needs to be that color and to have that intensity. So we mix this all together and see how that's thickening up as that just melts down and right into the milky sauce there. See, at this point, you could add all roasted cauliflower, or you could add the chicken and cauliflower. We're marrying the two together. And I like to throw in some sharp cheddar. We are throwing in our roasted cauliflower florets to our buffalo sauce that we thickened without flour. It's a lot of hot sauce, some milk, and some cream cheese with lots of celery and carrots cooked out in a little butter with lots of garlic. Turn this off. You could really easily adapt this by literally making it all cauliflower, but this is a keto style recipe. So high in protein and little or no gluten, in this case, no gluten. Flip that around. It's like a mashup of buffalo style anything and pimento cheese. Like, I can't even. I know! Then to finish, we add a little more cheddar and our blue cheese. You will stink like socks and bacon, but it doesn't matter. You won't care a bit. You'll be like, yeah, I smell like socks and bacon, and it's good. Look at this steaming, beautiful blue cheese, cheddar, buffalo. Look at the bubbles. With the smoked blue cheese, oh my God, it's so good. And then we're gonna top it with our crispy bacon. I know. And then our green onion. Oh, yeah. It's so good. It's so right, it's wrong. And that is legal in all 50 states.